saw it. You saw it. You saw it right. We got a big unboxing. Okay, so last video I talked about how I thought Dooney and Bourke was, grandma-y, Little did I know that I would be having an addiction to it. Okay, so you may hear, some noises in the background. That's my son. He just woke up from a nap. I tried to do it before, but all the noise of me trying to get everything situated, he woke up. So if you hear him in the background, they had some great sales. Like super, super, super. Don't look at my nails either. Sorry, guys. Doing them tomorrow. So they had some amazing sales. These are the infamous scissors that, I'm always all over the place. You guys are gonna get to know that. But they had some great sales. So let's get into it because I don't like to do all that talking, okay? I can talk, but I don't like to do all that talking, okay? So, I do not know what this one is. Okay, so I ordered Greta Brenna satchel, and then I ordered the matching like wallet, I think it is. If you guys will come to find out, I like things to match, like in my bags. So if I get the purse, I gotta get the matching wallet, So okay, come to the box. I'm liking that, and it just has the stuff with my information. You don't need to see that, but it is the small zip around in navy. So I did get the Greta Brenna in navy. So and I was kind of watching Flyboo, I think that's her name on YouTube. Her video of her, I think it's like, I don't know if it was an unboxing or it was like a what's in my bag, but I fell in love with the bag. Okay, so thank you, Flyboo. I think that's her name, or she has like some numbers. I can't remember really, but I'll put it down below. Oh. Okay, my son's here. Sorry. This is baby, baby. Okay, Dooney and Bourke. Okay. Look how gorgeous this is. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, my son's like moving the camera. You can't, you want to see too. Oh, you got stuff on your hands. He's eating too. I'm sorry, guys. This is gorgeous. I love the little zip on the back. Okay, guys, I had to get my son together. He's still sitting here, so if you wobble something, it's him. So, okay, I'm like really loving this. This is nice, and it is. I know it's like it's a cotton, but a coated cotton. That's what they call it. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the tassel right here. Oh, this is nice. And I don't carry that many cards, so this is going to be nice for me. And then it has just a nice slot for the month, for your money. Oh, that red interior. Oh my goodness. Dooney, did you do it again? I'm really liking this. This is gorgeous. And this is the zip around small card case. Very nice. Let's take this one off. It's another little braided leather strap. And this one was, doesn't have the price on it. And I can't remember what I paid. Oh, what did I pay? $39 for this. Great steal. Great. So, love the box. We're gonna keep that in the box. Okay. Close that up. Oh, loving that. Loving that. Okay, next is, I think this is the one that matches that bag. They both are Greta, the coated, coated canvas. I'm really liking how that feels. It feels super durable. Yay! This looks so good. Perfect size for me, being a mommy. Can throw everything in it. You know I like to throw it in a bag. I love my tote type. But this is a satchel because of the straps, I think, maybe? Okay. So we're gonna keep that because I'm not gonna wear it. Oh my goodness. Look at this bag. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's bigger than my head. Oh my goodness. Look at this bag. And it has feet on the bottom. You can barely see them. They really blend in with the bottom, but it does have feet on the bottom. Okay, so here's the strap. The other straps. You guys can see that. So let's start unveiling the inside. I'm gonna keep everything in there. So, it does come with a standard little key fob thing. So this is the inside. Gorgeous. And I love how big it is. Definitely will suit my needs. And then I love this strap, or these little pockets on the side. Love that. That just frees up lots of space. And this is the front, I think. Yes. It's that front pocket. And they both look like they have slit, like small split pockets in it. So they go to. And then this one has a slit and zip on the side, and it has the just slit pockets on the side. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the little plate right here. Love that. Looks amazing. Look at that. Look at the handle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm really liking this texture of the coated canvas. One thing that I am not seeing is a dust bag, Dooney. And I opened all the pockets. I'm just looking at the stuff that's in here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous bag. So it does have straps. So we'll put those on. So strap it up. I really wish I had a dust bag. You guys comment down below if you own this bag. Did it come with a dust bag? Or is it only for the leather goods that they are giving dust bags for? Because I really would like to know. Because I would love to store this in its dust bag and not that plastic bag. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. So now I'm just going to store the straps back in there. I'm really not a stickler about, so I'm just going to put the strap back in. And I'm going to restuff that, but let's get on to the next box. So this should have two things in it. Item wise, and this is something I don't own. Another bag like this. This will be my first one. I gotta be really careful with those scissors, people. Like, I'm dangerous with this. Literally, almost split my freaking arm open. Okay, that is all my information. Another one. Okay, so let's do that first. So let's open this one up. This is another Greta, the coated, or the cotton coating kit. Cotton. Sorry about that. But this says large. This doesn't look that large, guys. My other one that's the small looks way bigger than this. And it doesn't have a description on the tag, so I can't really say what it is. So let's take this stuff out. It's smaller than that one, so I would consider that one small. Say hi to Wyatt. Say hi, Wyatt. Okay, so yeah, I would consider this one the small, but they say it's the large. And it's okay. You know, it's gonna do what it needs to do. So, okay, I don't like that. There we go. Oh, I gotta put this back in there. So I like it. It's just smaller than what I thought, especially when it says that it's large. It's not large at all. How much smaller can you get? Ah, we dropped it. Definitely looks small. That's okay. It'll, you know, go perfectly perfectly into the bag that I'm about to show. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Wyatt, are you ready? You ready? His face is messy, guys. He's eating. Don't mind that. Okay, so no. Next one is the Greta Brown Tomorrow. That's the color that this guy's is in. The other one's navy. Drawstring bag. Okay, get down. Thank you. So this is another, like I said, coated canvas. Oh, this is nice. I may use this one, switch into this one, because it is a like crossbody on the shoulder type of bag. Oh, look at it, guys. Yeah, we're gonna switch into this one from the purse that I'm carrying, because I'm just carrying a micropores nylon crossbody bag. Real small, like can barely fit my stuff in it. Like, it's really for your phone, a lip gloss, and a little like card case. Basically, that's what can fit in it. So definitely not for my life. This is a lot bigger than that. Will allow me to fit more stuff in. This is the back, guys, but it's not too big. So does have feet. I'm liking that this one actually has the leather strap and the feet. The other one that I showed, you can barely tell it had feet because it blends in so well. And it has a really hard bottom. I like that. Oh, love it. See, that's perfect. Throw it in a bag. Okay. So it does have a huge slip pocket here, a zipper, and a slip pocket here on this side. Maybe let me open it up. Nope, no dust bag in there. Just the card to get a warranty on your bag. Which do, guys. Do it. Yes, definitely get all the information, go on the website, and get the warranty for your bags. It is, I mean, why not? I think it covers it for a full year. So anything happen, wear and tear. I'm really liking the leather, how the leather, the brown looks. I'm really liking it. So we're gonna switch into this one back, into this bag. But look at it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Loving that red interior. Here's the side. Let's put the strap on. And it's a thicker strap too, guys. It's not one of those ones that are on that. So this can't be worn crossbody. I mean, you could find a crossbody But it really just a nice, ooh, I like this. Sorry guys, but yes, love this. Loving this. Oh, let's see. Oh, I'm loving the leather details, like the tab, zipper to this, and I don't know if it could fit a phone, but it could fit something. Sorry. So yeah, guys, I went crazy. I'm really liking this coated canvas and the monogram on the bags. I am going to switch out or switch into this bag. So if you want to see me switch into this bag, stay tuned. I'm going to do that in another video. But I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for watching Beauty by Simone.